How to redeem Sephora gift card online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login Delete and let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the search bar type in sephora.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account, then go onto your account and scroll below to account settings. At this page, click on to Payments and Credit under Account Information. To check your gift card balance, add the card number that is 16-digit long and is on the backside of your Sephora gift card. Once you do so, enter your PIN and click on Check. Go to your home page. Select any product that you want to use your gift card on. Click on Add to Basket. Then click on the Checkout Shipped Items. Enter your checkout address such as your first name, street address, and your zip code. Scroll below and under Payment Method, click on Edit. At the bottom, you will see Add Gift Card. Expand that option and add the number that is available on your Sephora gift card. Once you do so, add your PIN and click on Apply. And just like so, this is how you redeem gift card on Sephora. That's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and follow for more.